Okay, picking up where we left off in Word Skill 5.10, inserting fields into a mail merge document. Last lesson we saw the address block and the greeting line. Now if we want to just insert one field here, we don't want to insert a greeting line or an address block, just the first name. There's not a button for the individual fields. What you go to is the Insert Merge field, still on the Mailings tab, and you get a list of all the fields in the list you created. And I just select first name. I could select anything there. If I wanted to insert their zip code, I could do that. Maybe you don't want to use the pre-built address blocks. You can put in the address and then the city, state, zip, and all the stuff there. That's how you insert a single merge field. What I want to do now, though, is I want to insert a membership plan for the people I put in my list. Now, the membership wasn't a field in the list we had, so we're going to have to add it. To do that, we go up to, on the Mailings tab, to the Edit Recipient List. Select that, go ahead and select your list down here in the data sources and click Edit. Here we can add new entries, so we could add more people to our list. We could also delete people from our list. What we want to do though is customize the columns. We're going to add a new column to it, so we're going to add that membership type. It'll ask you if you want to save, just hit yes. And in here you can do anything you want with the columns you have, like company name we're not using, we can go ahead and delete it. Same thing for country or region, we can delete it. But what we want to do is we want to add a field. We're going to add, and we're just going to call it membership. We're going to add a membership field. Put that in there. We can move fields around too, and their placement doesn't really matter too much, but we add membership in there, hit OK. Now as I scroll over, you can see I have a new field here, membership. I'm going to give standard to the first person, and let's go ahead and type premium in for the second person. So now we have update, yes, save it. Okay, so now we have membership in there. So I can select membership here, get rid of the placeholder I had, insert merge field, you can see membership is right there. Put membership in, now it'll print out the specific memberships I have there. One thing here's not in your book, but very useful. If you don't want to put a field in there, you want a field to be based, or you want your document to have some text based on a field, you can use the if-then rule. What I do is I have my new rate here. I'm going to say people on the standard plan is the new rate $75, and the people on the premium plan, the new rate is $100. What you can do is go up to the rules button here on the Mailings tab. You can see there's an if then else. Select that, and here you get to choose, the box comes up, you get to choose the field, so you can say membership. If it equals, this is where I would say standard, then insert this text, and I would say $75. Otherwise, insert this text, $100. And that's how you insert an if in there, and the Word will do that for you. It'll say, okay, this person is on the standard plan. Standard is in the membership field. I'm going to put 75 in there. This person is on the premium plan. Premium's in the membership field. I'm going to put 100 in there. Now I put it in there, and you can see it says 100 right now. That's because the first, or the recipient I'm on is probably on the premium plan. Now one thing I want to show you, well, let's see if that's the next lesson. Yeah, previewing is the next lesson. So that's basically inserting fields. You saw the address block, the greeting line, inserting specific fields. You saw adding a new field or new column to your list. And you saw the if-then-else rule that you can add. That is the second part of 5.10. Let's have your code word be sun, S-U-N or S-O-N if you want. Either way.